If you're just starting on YouTube or have been uploading videos for a while but still have 0 views, this video is for you. Today we'll analyze 4 common mistakes that might be keeping your channel from growing. Stay with me until the end because I have simple tips that can significantly improve your stats starting today. There are 4 main reasons why the YouTube algorithm might not promote your videos. If any of them apply to you, try to fix them as quickly as possible. 1. Missing video description. The first major mistake is leaving the description empty. YouTube needs information to understand who to recommend your video to. If you don't write anything, you're missing the chance to improve your video's promotion significantly. Always write at least 3 sentences about your video and add a few hashtags related to its topic. These small changes can make a huge difference. 2. Creating videos on random topics. The second mistake is publishing content on very different topics. If you make one video about interesting facts, another about gardening tips, and the next one is a funny skit, YouTube won't know who to show your videos to. It's best to focus on one consistent topic that interests your audience. When your content is consistent, the algorithm can more easily match it to the right viewers, increasing your chances of getting regular views. 3. Irregular video uploads. The third problem is not uploading videos regularly. If you post 5 videos in one day and then nothing for 2 weeks, it's almost impossible to build an audience. Try to upload videos at consistent intervals. For example, daily, every 2 days, or once a week, and the best at the same time. This way, YouTube will know when to promote your content and your viewers will get used to your schedule. 4. Low quality content and thumbnails. Last, and most important, is the quality of your videos. Quality matters more than quantity. If your video has poor image or sound quality, or it's chaotic, viewers will quickly lose interest. Thumbnails are equally important. A thumbnail is what grabs a viewer's attention while they're scrolling through content. Your thumbnail should be clear, visually appealing, and stand out from the rest. Use bright colors, bold text, and emotions to make it truly clickable. I've shared with you the key tips for getting more views. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these mistakes you'll fix first. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.